while that's drying, I'm actually going to put my top on. Now, because I trimmed it out, my top is going to actually fit in, which is really great. So I'm going to put just, the Arlene's glue is very thick, so I'm battling a bit today with the syringe. So I'm going to just put it on a toothpick and put it on around the edge. Just gently work that in, that it goes flat. If you've pushed it through too much, just go back with your toothpick. There we go. I'm now going to leave my hat to dry. I'll be back in about an hour and we'll carry on decorating.